Narendra Modi Zindabad! 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 Narendra Modi Zindabad!
Mithai!
Si benta ban lek kemen naga jingjob ke BJP ha Assam, West Bengal bar ha Puducherry, ki nongiram ke BJP Mithai menta kasngi, kentup Menteri Sokal Badairu MLA ba Sanbor Sulai UMLA ke parti ba AL hek rengkat ki nongiram kira pelong ya ke jinglek kemen ha office ke parti menta kasngi. Keladon ke jing ya bam Mithai ke jing ya Shad ya kenhoi rengkat ke jing thang bom pataka hadu belaleng pum ke pelau office ke BJP Habibah Road Shillong. Ka BJP ka job biang ha Assam ha kasen ke balai bat kala pelim ton ya ke TMC ke bayram ke mamata banerji ha West Bengal dak ba job keput ha kasen manengkong. Kinong ilam ke BJP Mikraya narogi MLA kentup unung aikten ba marihom karkrang general secretary ba wankit bok pochna ka presiden ke BJP mahila ke kong arena nyota bat kiwe kaya siat ya kenhoi bat ye perta ya ke jingjob ke BJP. Kira kermen ba ke jingjob ke BJP ha Assam ha West Bengal bat hakiwe gejela kan wan puru sya kene gejela Mikraya ha kene election MP ban sawan bat khamtam ha election MLA ha wajar abu pra. Na klem ba marihom karkrang walakam ba ki Kristan ha Assam ka jit bat Christian purarut plon sya ke BJP ha kene election badep bat lakelmen be kani kan saulong ha ke jela Mikraya ru ha ke ba Kristan kin a ke Christian ke bapura ke parti nama ba ke BJP ke wei ke seng ke wanra ke roi ke par bat ke jingkladur ha ke ri.
BJP BJP long live BJP BJP long live Modi ji आपको भी बनाए हो Meghalaya BJP Zindabad Meghalaya BJP
We are waiting for
that NBP is out of Meghalaya. Does it indicate?
Pardon?
NBP is out of Meghalaya after 2 years. Does it indicate this?
See, we're talking about the BJP and the BJP victory. We're not talking for other political party.
Meghalaya, I'm saying.
Even Meghalaya also, but BJP will be forming the government in 2028. That is very sure.
Yes.
So is giving a boost
Yeah, there's so many leaders that call me, not only today, for the last few days, they want to join the BJP, and definitely many of them also, we had the meeting with them, and they are joining very soon. Two very senior leader, the sitting MLA and also the former MLA and also MDC are joining BJP.
So in 28, you will be able to form the government.
I've told you also, but 28 will be a BJP-led government in Meghalaya.
And with the number of seats that you're winning there at West Bengal, did you expect?
West Bengal, we know that we are going to win, but we are not expected that much of margin. So, but it's a very, very Trump, victory for the BJP in West Bengal, Assam, and also Pondicherry. And yeah. It was on the 2nd of May. It was belated birthday, not today.
Long live BJP! Long live BJP! Long live BJP! Long live BJP! Long live Jing job ka jing job, BJP ka jing job ka jing job, BJP ka jing job,
Narendra Modi ka jing job,
jing job ka jing job,
Narendra Modi ji ka jing job,
jing job ka jing job,
Narendra Modi ka jing job,
jing job ka jing job,
Sahel and Hek and Sanbor ka jing job,
jing job ka jing job.
Sahel and Hek and
Meghalaya BJP!
jing job, jing job.
Majority states, whereas Meghalaya is a Christian majority state. It may not be a judge
Yeah.
to win.
No, you see, even if it's Christian majority also, but ultimately people want development. Okay, people want to see their children employed. People want to see their family members. Now what's happening is that even whatever qualifications you have also, it's either you leave the state or you should be happy with whatever meager wages that you get. I mean, people ultimately, what they want development in the state. And for that development, I mean, it's ample. It's very clear that it's only BJP can bring that kind of development.
So we look at
BJP,
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. You mark my words. I'm saying today, you see, 2028, you come back to us, you'll find BJP with double digit. I'll not say the numbers, but yes, double digit.